Hello, this is a quick video on Collaborate Ultra application and screen share feature. We will be discussing what it looks like and how to do it in both Firefox and Chrome browser. They look a little bit different, so let's begin. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I want to show you what it looks like to do an application or screen share in Firefox. How to get there is the same, but the how you choose what application is a little bit different. So you are always going to go to this Collaborate tab down here in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll want to make sure that you are either a presenter or a moderator. That way you have this third tab, which is the Share Content tab. Looks like a little folder with an arrow. So when you click on it, you will see your share application or screen right here. I have another video that you can watch that covers the whiteboard and the share files. Today we're just going to talk about the application and screen share. So when you click on it, you're going to have, in Firefox, so it's going to give you two options here. They're basically going to do the same thing. So what it is, it's going to bring down a box. If you click it, I'll show you. A box for you to choose what it is you want to see on your screen. So for instance, you are going to click the down box or down arrow, and you will see this is a list of things that is going on your computer. So I have two screens, so screen 1 and screen 2. So if I wanted to share what is going on my screen 2, and I will do that, it kind of gives you a little preview, which is nice. So you can kind of see what's going on. On this second screen, I actually have a Word document. So I'm going to click Allow, and then it will pop up on your Collaborate. It'll show exactly what's going on, and that's nice because it lets you kind of manipulate, maybe do some typing or do some direction on the one screen while you still see what everybody else sees on the other. So like I said, this works best and only really works well if you have two screens on your computer. When you want to stop sharing, you always hit the stop button here, or you can find it here as well. The other thing you can do is if you go back to the box, you will see some different things that are going on. So right now I have a Word document up. I have a sharing thing up right now. If I have, for instance, something like YouTube that I want to share, you can see I have YouTube up here in the top. Well, whenever I click the down arrow in Firefox, you're not going to see it pop up here. Basically because it's saying you can either pick a screen or you can pick an actual application. It's considering your YouTube as a screen up here. So one way around it is you can click on your YouTube, drag it down to your taskbar, and that will put it in a separate Firefox browser. So then whenever you see it, you should be able to bring it up on a screen on your screen too, and you could show it from there. That's probably the best way to do it. You can also go to just an application and see if it pops up there. And it does. It brings up the application, so you could just do that as well. So there's a couple different ways to get it to pop up on the screen. You can either use the dual screens, or you can use the application share. It's a little bit more confusing in Firefox because you're not sure exactly what it is you're going to show sometimes, but it does have that preview just prior. So that's how you do it. The next part of the video, we'll talk about Chrome. Okay, so I want to show you what it looks like to do a application share or a screen share in Chrome when you're in Collaborate Ultra. It looks a little bit different than the first video, which was the first part, which was Firefox. So I wanted to hop in and show you that as well. Again, you will need to be either the moderator or a presenter to do this. So if you click on your Collaborate panel, you're going to get into it just exactly the same. You're going to go to your share content icon, and then the second one down, share application or screen. But what I wanted to show you was this, and this, I actually prefer this a little bit more than in Firefox, just because it gives you a better idea as to what you're sharing, so you don't accidentally share something you didn't want to share. So in Chrome, you're going to see it pop up this way. You can share your entire screen, and for me, I've got two screens on my computer, so I can choose which one I want to share. If I click application window, then it's going to tell me I can choose to share the little countdown for my Camtasia when I'm recording. I can share the interview room that we're in, or I also have document up that I can share as well. And if you would have YouTube, it would pop up here because it's an application that is open versus just an entire screen. It also gives you the Chrome tab, so I could do one of the tabs. So if I had YouTube opened up in a tab here, up here with the Collaborate in the same Chrome window, then I could just choose that as well. So it looks a little bit different. I actually like it better. That way you get to kind of see it's a little bit better as to understand what you're actually sharing. So I would prefer to do it in Chrome myself, so that's completely up to you as to which one you like. But just so that you got to see both of them, I wanted to show you what it looks like in Chrome as well. So thank you for viewing my video on Collaborate Ultra, and as always, you can contact me for assistance or you can visit the link on your screen. Thanks.